Hello, in this video we will learn about the Ebola virus. So here is the structure of the Ebola virus and the picture, and this is basically is the containing RNA virus, and here is the bigger picture of Ebola virus contain a several partition like glycoprotein. This is the basically is the nucleocapsid, a protein VP30, 24 and 35. But this is the RNA and it means it is RNA virus. So we will discuss all things. So this is the nucleoprotein are present here. This is the matrix protein are present here. Anyhow, and this is the glycoprotein. This glycoprotein is contain glycoprotein mean carbohydrate and protein containing content. So let's begin to understand this is the sign and symptom, and this is a person. Let's begin to understand the sign and symptom of the infected person. So in this way, this fever 38.6 degrees Celsius, muscle pain, and the condition is here, the picture you can see, muscle pain and the weakness and vomiting and abdominal pain in the stomach, diarrhea also, and sore throat. It means the throat problem, and the here is you can see this the unexplained hemorrhage, the bleeding or bruising. Anyhow, the headache also the symptom and sign. Headaches, the severe headache, as well as the vomiting, the antiperistaltic movement, and the sore throat. Okay, now we will discuss about the transmission and infection, how it can transmit into the person, into the human. So first of all, the fruit bat are the natural host of the Ebola virus. And the fruit bat basically when infected, basically fruit bat are the natural host of the Ebola virus, and it can transmit the disease due to the contamination or the predation from the other animal or saliva are present on the fruit when eat through gorillas, and in this way the gorilla and other animals are infected by eating fruit, bats bats or fruit that the bats have salivation. In this way, the basically and this gorilla can transmit the into the human. So the human contact the virus by close contact with infected animals like gorilla and other animals. So this is the person which that is infected will lead to severe case. So anyhow, this person which that transmit the disease from person to person through sexual contact, through saliva or contaminated syringe, as well as other contact. So in this way, it can be transmit the disease person to person. So it is zoonotic virus because animal to the human transmission. That is why zoonotic virus. Remember. Anyhow, let's understand about the mode of infection, the cellular pathway, the cytology, the cell infection into the cell. This is a person when infect the Ebola virus, and this infect is a target major is the hepatocyte, the liver major cell, the functional endothelial cell of the blood circulatory system, the endothelial cell of the blood vessel, and macrophage as well as blood cells. So here collectively we will discuss this is a team: folate receptor alpha, TAM receptor, and lectin. It can be attached by this receptor by Ebola virus, and this is the attachment. And after this attachment, the macropinocytosis will occur, the endocytosis. This endocytosis is the second step. In this way, The endocytosis will lead to endocytosis and acidification formation will occur. In this way, inside is the proton will pump inside, and in this way the acidic medium will lead to rupture this endosome, and in this way the endosome will rupture. And the step 4, the glycoprotein processing and nucleocapsid and cellular membrane fusion, which that will lead to release the RNA, and this RNA 3 to 5 prime direction. And in this, there's different type of RNA, while the capping and the polyadenylation will lead to host ribosome required for this RNA will lead to translation. After this RNA translation to produce several type of proteins. These several type of proteins can be L and P, the nucleoprotein, and you can the lectin and the VP35, 40, and 30, 20, 24. In this way, this is the viral protein. Remember, this viral protein is used for the encapsulation discussed in later. But first of all, we will also learn about the step 7, the viral transcription. This basically here you can see this the protein will occur here. We will discuss. So in this way, the step 7 is the viral transcription. We will discuss. This is the encapsulation and the VP40 protein. Anyhow, this is the viral transcription. This viral transcription will lead to produce the viral genome replication in 8th step. In this way, the VP35 and nucleoprotein is bind here and lectin. Anyhow, in this way you can understand this is the replication. The 8th step is the viral genome replication. After the viral genome replication, more than one. In this way, the encapsulation as well as assembly formation will occur in 9th and 10th step. After this assembly formation via a protein as well as the RNA will lead to assembly and budding off. This budding will lead to release the virus. The mature viral Ebola virus will affect again by this mechanism. So in this video we will discuss about the Ebola virus. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like.